we have to solve x over 7 plus 28 over x, it is equal to 5. Solution is multiply it by 7x. We'll multiply the equation by 7x first. So after multiplying, we get x square plus 196, which is equal to 35x. Now x square minus 35x will be transposed on left hand side with minus sign. Plus 196, it will be equal to 0 now. Now we'll break 35x in such a manner, if we add the numbers, we get 35, and if we multiply them, we get 196. So the numbers are 7 and 28. If we multiply 7 with 28, we get 196, and if we add the numbers, we get 35. So the value of x is 7 or 28. This is our answer. Solve x to the power 7 minus 128, it is equal to 0. Solution will be x to the power 7 will be equal to 128. Now 128 can be written as 2 to the power 7. So x to the power 7 is equal to 2 to the power 7. That means x is equal to 2. This is our answer.